lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kay Miss Lani Cayetano at sa LGU Taguig for providing us a great venue.
so that we can use this opportunity to amplify and uplift our voices of Taguigueños. And of course, I hope that we can continue to use these programs so we can showcase our talents and skills.
And so this kind of support po kasi for us, inspire us po to share our talents with more purpose po and confidence. So we really appreciate po na makasama po kami sa ganitong opportunity po na choral event.
Dito na mag-start na makilala yung Taguig. Na we have a lot of singers. Ang dami palang choir sa Taguig. Ang gagaling ng choir sa Taguig. So thank you so much for believing in the talents of Taguigueños.
And dahil po doon, nararamdaman po namin na ang Pasko sa Taguig ay pag-ibig.